Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube tutorial video. So happy new year, and for those of you which I did this video so many times, screenshot video, um, you you working at Easter Seals and don't know how to do the therapy, I can show you a quick video on how to do it. It's real easy. Um, um, so Therap, only Easter Seals organization does that. Therap. I'm not sure about Goodwill or the Ark, but I'm pretty sure they um, do their payroll and timesheet a little different. So, um, so if you're working at Easter Seals and don't know how to do the Therap, which I can show you a way how to get it in. Um, so let's minimize this here. This is bandicam. So um, so the first thing to do is to open your browser, whatever browser you're using, Microsoft Edge, Google Chrome, or DuckDuckGo. Um, you can use that also. So um, let's go to your browser here. Make it default browser. No, so you're gonna type Therap. So you're gonna type. So like say your keyboard, but if the buttons doesn't work, use your on-screen keyboard, which is this. You go like this, and you type in with the on-screen keyboard Therap. And click on the search box. You're gonna type THERAP. So it's gonna take you straight to the Therap login page. So you click on that, and it's gonna say Therap login. And what is Therap login? So it's bang. So as you scroll down here, as you can see, there's videos and stuff on how to use it. You can look up videos too, and it's gonna show each video on how to do the Therap. So even there's my videos too that I did a tutorial once on how to do it on my YouTube channel. So all you do is go here, let's go back. If you want to watch videos, you just click on here. See, there's my video. See, it's famous. And something K followers. So by going to the main page, so what is the login? So if you don't know what Therap login is, you can search it up. So let's go back here. Then you type what is Therap. And you hit search. So So which you can get it off the Google Play Store. So therapy. So Easter and other disability um, services use this too. So Thera provides a collection of um, modules for healthcare professionals to remotely collect individuals for support services, include such as ISP data and password resets and etc. So that's what it is. It's a professional healthcare system to um, to help people with disability. So, oh, oh boy, I gotta go to the bathroom, folks. I'll be right back. Gotta take a bomb here. Oh, I can feel it coming down my butt. What you gonna do with the password? Whoa, whoa, whoa. This is from really the Hebrew. This is really the X. bandicam. There it is. Close that back. Hang on. Let's doing something real quick. Close. Can you hear me? Hello? YouTube viewers, hello, you guys can hear me on my mic? Mic check, 1, 2. Alright. Okay. So this is what the Thera Beta is, to collect a module of healthcare professionals to remotely collect data for individuals for support services. So T-logs, ISP data, war, and password reset. So you can also do it on your phone and tablet. It says about Thera, you can watch their videos. Mobile applications and more. So if you click on this, it's going to take you straight to the login page. So which mutable and manageable across all 50 states and more. So accept cookies, which is press this. So new devices also available on Apple Watch, tablet, and other support systems. So this is what it starts: community unemployment and vocational rehabilitation, special education and school and health services, aging and home health, and autism programs, easy early interventions, and more. So that's what it is to get into people with disabilities and stuff. So for intellectual disabilities, you might want an autism program. You click on this one here. So whether you have a computer or phone, you can also do it on phone. Comprehensive documentation solutions for people with IDDD providers. So it's a national leader with local enterprises. That's what it is. So it's about service planning and monitoring, official extraction, billing, claiming, and secure and stuff. critical incident reporting and management, dashboard-based quality assurance, and overall agency performance. And to download a brochure, which you click on here, which is going to show all this. Sure. So it says there are person data drivers. So this is what it is right here. Go through all this, read what it is, what it's talking about, and on how it works. The mobile app to support your team on the go. So that's what it's showing, which includes daily notes, goal outcome tracking, scheduling, time tracking, secure messaging, medication administrative and records, and secure video documentation, and more. So make sure to check that out. Read all this before you take the TheraP system. This is what it is here. And that's what pretty much it. So to log in, I can show you that right now. You hit secure login. So case notes. So they're getting new versions of the so new release notes, they're gonna get new versions of the thing. So it's telling you your login, your provider code, and your password. So make sure to contact your local agency before you do this. So if it's Easter Seals, and if you're with Easter Seals, you gotta put your login name, provider code will be ESH, and it will be your password. They will give you a temporary password. So if you forget the password, you click forget password. Then it's going to take you to this part here. Provider code, login name, and all that stuff. So that's how you're going to get in to that. So yeah. And for easy access, if you don't want to search for it, you can always do this. Make it as a shortcut. So let's close this here. So you click this, hold on to the search, and you just put it right here. So it's going to open with another browser, so that's fine. So you just open it, and it's going to open in here. Close this. See? More easier access you get into to do the TheraP. So, and that's how you do the application. You can watch videos too. So, which I can show you a video right now, and learn and watch. That's how you observe. Okay, here. kind of sometimes it does that. Let's close this for a minute. So you can go on any new device they have here. So they have this watch, and I don't know what that is. So we can close this, and so like say you type your name. So you type your login name. If your keyboard doesn't work on your computer, bring up the on screen, then type the name. And you put like that, and press continue. So when you log in, put the password. And click login. So don't save. So the password is incorrect. We have a caps lock off or cookies enabled. So make sure. So if cookies not enabled, if you're using so Therap runs out of Internet Explorer 8 when back in the day when it had Windows 7. So Windows 10 is just like a little bit like 7. So if we go in your settings here, you go in your settings and you click on experience. Let's see, privacy, which is right here. Balance, basic, delete browsing data. So you search, scroll. So one of these security preferences will tell you to enable cookies. So it would say cookies enabled somewhere. So make sure you enable that. And that will work. For the Chronos, you have to do a remote access thing to do that. So even before you do the therapy, whatever you do on your computer, and always important to do it often, is to update your machine. So go in your settings and you check for updates. If you have it update, install it. Then check if your system is required for Windows 11. So you just check here. So, but if it's not, so if you get this notice here, Windows 10 will no longer support free software updates starting from October 14, 2025. So hit to learn more, especially if you're doing the therapy for Easter seals, to look at their specs. So it's same for Windows 10, 8.1, and 7. Which is this one, and 10. So this is one of the top first that brought Microsoft, that brought it famous. And this was one of the first operating systems, was first. So yeah, that's what you can pretty much do. So has been after 10 years, security updates and technical support for Windows 7 ended on January 14, 2020. So we know change can be difficult, but we're here to help you to take you the steps within. But if you have, if you get VirtualBox, you can use that, but you just can't do much now. The only way you can probably install Windows updates on Windows 7 is kind of remotely, but that will be like counterfeiting for Microsoft companies these days. And same for 8.1. But it had the same latest features as same as 7, and so kind of bit the same. So if you got still support, so it's gonna see if you can get. So your system is up to date. So, and to clean your system as well. So the fastest way to do it, so clean your device while doing the therapy is the stills is going in here. If we're going to therapy, and if you want to watch videos, I can show you a quick video thing here. So you click on one of these. So you go here, click on one of them, like that. You go into therap.net, you
type in the name. Whoops. Wait. Let's take off this stupid keyboard because it's irritating. Okay, wait. Yeah, that circle looks like Cortana, isn't it? Well, it's just like it. So it's like you're talking to her. So you type in Therap and and
That's what we're
press
trying to
search,
just watch the video and
and then once you
it
get
will
in
show you
there,
the steps on how to do that.
oh, looks like our internet is having a little minor problem. So um, I have Dish, so that means other devices might be connected to it. So you might want to check on that. So let's so and while we're waiting for the therapy to show up, when you're also doing Chronos, you might want to do the first thing that you might want to go is I don't probably have the app, but it's called something else. Uh, Gee, I don't think that app is in here anymore. It's called Chrome Remote Desktop. So with Chrome Remote Desktop, you will have to use Chronos to get a remote connection in order to get into the Easter Seals uh, staff. So if you work in Easter Seals and you want to do Chronos, um, you're going into your remote connection of your Chromebook device, and the password is Pomaikai2. So after you enter the password, you will have to um, um, do the Chronos for you. First, you put in the time you start with Chronos and the time you end, and so and you add comments to the on the comment section of Chronos, and then you submit. Same thing with Therap. So I don't know why it's not showing up here. Hang on. There is no internet connection, so it's resolving hosts. Resolving hosts mean if your computer is doing that, that means it's trying to resolve the problem. So while doing your computer work, you always might want to do this. It's called connection diagnostics. So whatever computer work you're doing in Easter Seals and you're trying to do your Thera or Chronos or any other Microsoft Office work for Easter Seals, you run diagnostics. So you might want to do this. So every so often, if you connect it with Dish Network, you will have to do connectivity diagnostics. So if you have a computer or a Windows computer or an iPad, those devices might be interfering with your connection. So um, and so if this continues to be happening, you might want to call your internet service provider. If you're with Dish, Exceed is the one, but it's not Exceed anymore. It's Viasat. They changed the name. It's at the mall. So, so look like it's
Yeah.
not gonna go through.
That's
So
what you
this
have
big
is video.
looks
It's gonna
looks
show you
like
how to
DishNet itself is having
do that.
technical difficulties, but you
You
can
can
send
also
a
watch this
Gmail
one here.
to them. So if you have home internet and you're doing your therapy,
When I started drinking warm water to help me lose weight,
And
my friends
skip
laughed
the
at me.
ad.
But when they saw how fast I was changing, they started.
okay, welcome to my recording on screen recorder, and I'm gonna show you. Today is a nice day. It's beautiful summer, and it's summertime here in the month of June. And for your all Easter Seals workers, if you're with your client today, and whatever you're doing today at Easter Seals or whatever agency, I have something to show you all you guys. So to new workers and newcomers that's in Easter Seals and want to do therapy, um, um, finally found the website. So you go in, this is the website, you go in here, therapy login, and then it's gonna show up the website. I'll wait for it to show. Okay, so it says here, quality assurance user for group quarterly report webinar, June 2018 Eastern Standard Time, call for presentation, Charlotte of North Carolina. But this is from so if you're working at Easter Seals, this is how you log into Therap. And for new workers and new clients that's with their client today or getting ready for practice for Special Olympic golf, well, take them to a high golf course and practice their swings. If you're with your client today and doing Special Olympic golf, when you take your client, you're going to have to do the report, and your case manager going to have to look at it, and once in a while you get ISP meeting with your client, so you're going to have to log that in too. And you also get even the Easter Seals mandatory meeting. So as you go to the mandatory meeting for Easter Seals, you're going to have to do the Therap and the Kronos as well. So that is going to count as your Easter Seals work. So for those people who has a Chromebook and working at Easter Seals, Chromebook is available at Walmart. They had quite a few in stock. Get it before it's gone. And getting kind of close to the holiday season. Halloween coming up next, and Christmas, then Thanksgiving, then how time go by fast, no? But anyway, this is Kevin Foster. I'm a computer nerd. So for all your computer novices out there that's using a Chromebook, Chromebook. Chromebook, if any customer or a worker of Easter Seals has a Chromebook or a Windows 10, it's called a Streambook now. A Windows 10 Streambook. If you have a Windows 10 or a Chromebook or an iPad or the Echo Dot and you want to do the Therap, and first you put in the Easter Seals name. It will be ESH. I think they all have to be capital, so you just press, either you hold the shift key, ESH, and for those of you clients, put a small h, ESH, then your password. So by default it will be Hawaii 12, because if you forgot your password to log into Easter Seals, or if it got locked or corrupted, you will have to call the Therap LLC services support for you to fix it. Because this Therap comes from Honolulu, Hawaii. The Honolulu Easter Seals district is the one in charge of this, and they're the one keep track of your Easter Seals work. So the head vice president of Disability Rehab Services is the one in charge of this, DMR. So for default, if you want to reset your password, or for password recovery, press, I think it's Hawaii 12. I don't think there's the capital, so by default, press And so if you with Easter Seals, it's HAWAII12. So it's Hawaii 12. I think that's the default password. It was the default password before, but I don't know about now. So don't ask me. You gotta ask your case. You will have to ask your supervisor or case manager or the therapy administrator. You will have to call the therapy administration office in order to reset your password, or your case manager at Easter Seals. So here's your provider code. You put that in. I hope this audio doesn't cut off, because the last time I recorded the screenshot, the audio started to cut off, so don't worry about that. So the provider code, gee, I'm not sure. So if you have trouble logging in, there's some help needs here, so let's try log in. I believe it's the provider code is, I'll just put 96720. Let's see. Well, my mom was a member of Easter Seals, but now that time has passed in POW. So so 96720. So that's the Hawaii area code. I don't know if it's gonna work, but you will have to call your agency or administrator in order to fix your Easter Seals account. Easter Seals therapy account, same as for Chronos, but if you do Chronos, it would have to be a remote desktop. So if you have a personal computer, and if you're using a Steam version of Windows 10, you need a remote access in order to do the Chronos, to do the stuff. So let's log in here. Hit the login key. So as you hit the login key, it's going to process. It's going to help you get in. And oh no, not this resolving host crap again. So if you're using satellite internet and you're doing your Easter Seals work at home, that means the browser or your connection, or can be one thing, your firmware is not up to date. You have to fix your connections. So as say again, run diagnostics, always do that. So if your signal strength is low, that means other devices could be connected to it. So is disconnect, because you can't have two. You can have either one device. Like if you have Spectrum, then different. So but right now you have 67% signal strength, so that's a little low. So just listening what I'm saying, diagnostics, always do that. And then it will test the connection. And if this still is happening, you might want to take your Chromebook or Windows 10 to a computer specialist, and somebody can fix it for you, or you can call my friend Dennis. They can fix your he has a friend that fixes computers, and he can fix it for you. And or you can go to Pacific Pro Tech and fix your computer, the one that KWXX sponsors. So I guarantee you didn't go through, because not the qualified passwords. So let's go back again. Let's go back to the page here. So one thing, let's try go back in the page again, see if it will open. So you can get the Therap app on Google Play. You can follow them on social media. And and one thing, look like they're updating a new version of the software. So so I say log in again. Let's go in here again. Doesn't seem to be going through for some reason. So sometimes either the Therap website could be down, or they're having technical issues, related issues, like maybe could be your browser up to date. You gotta update your browser, your computer itself. So I'm gonna show you something here. Hold on a minute. So while doing your Easter seals work and report, if you're doing a Chronos, one other thing that you must do is update your system. So you go in settings.
Yeah. So just like for any other device, you always want to update your um, um, software in order to continue on with that. So, or you can go in your here, check it out. So, you can go in your system. It's already been checked. So that's how you do the setup. Thank you for watching my video, and I'll upload it.